Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Bitching. So today we are unboxing a package that I received from Facesugar. It's a fairly new subscription. This is the second one I'm receiving. I'm quite excited because we only pay 11 US for this. It includes shipping, much cheaper than the usual that I pay. So yeah, let's see. I think it's the indie brand, I'm not sure, but yeah. Ooh, I really love what I see. Oh yeah, this is my January subscription. I received most of my things about a month too late. Don't you just love the rose gold wrapping? I received most of my things a month too late, so yeah, I do apologize if you need to wait for it, but at least we get them. So we are Queen of the Year 2019. So the value of this package is 55 US. Let's see. This is a Creations Unicorn Tier liquid highlighter. I can't wait to try this. Can you actually zoom in on the... I don't know if it wants to. I think the light is too harsh. Oh, there we go, there we go. I just can't wait to try this. And then we have... what is that? Aesthetica Contour Series. Is this... oh, this is a palette. This is a palette. I think in this subscription we receive palettes with each and every box we receive. Oh, don't you just love this? I mean, I just love it. Okay, Aesthetica Contour Series Lip Contour Kit. I'm gonna put that down there so we can at least, can you see that? Oh, so it's basically telling you how to do contouring on your lips. What a cute kit. Oh, I wish I got like two. Then I could have put one in a giveaway. Would have been awesome. Let's see what we got. Ooh. How does this work? So it's a mirror and that is the cover. It's stuck on the mirror. We got 3 lip liners and oh no, it's a lip brush, a lipstick brush. I don't, how do you say it? And it doesn't want to come out. There we go. So it's a lipstick brush, which I can't get off. There we go. Gorgeous lipstick brush, very soft, with a double-ended lip liner pencils and six lipsticks. I think it's well worth it. 11 US here with us. How much is that? I don't have a calculator. I'll put it down somewhere. But 11 US and we get all of this. I'm sorry, we don't get this in Namibia. This is... I just love it. I can't complain about this at all. So gonna test this out. Sorry guys, this is one subscription box that unfortunately everything, or fortunately for me, everything is going to me. Yay! Sorry. So that's what we got from the Facesugar subscription. Yeah, please like, subscribe, let me know what you think. I actually love this box. Yay! Bye!